Welcome to our Precalculus class. Our topic for today is solve the exponential equation by rewriting the base. Our problem is 4 equals 16 to the x power. Alright, so first look at the given equation. 4 equals 16 to the x power. Here, notice it. Notice that 4 equal 16 can be written as a powers or as of 2, right? This number. So right here, both sides as a power of 2 and solve. Alright, this is the direction. So we have a problem here. 4 equals 16 to the x power. So write 4, let's write 2 to the second power, like I write it here, equals 4, not 2 to the 4 power to the x. Alright, so this is 4 equals 2 to the second power, and 16 equals 2 to the 4th power. Alright, next 2 to the second power equals 2 to the 4x power, right? So this is a property, power of power property. Alright, and next step here is 2 equals 4x. So set exponent equal. Alright, so next step is 1/2 equals x. So here is divide both sides by 4. So the conclusion is so x is equals 1/2. Right? This is the answer for this this question. Let's try to find another problem here. Let me write another problem to understand better our topic for today. So next problem. Let's try to solve 9 equals 81 to the x power. Okay, same thing. Notice that 9 and 81 can both written by powers of 9. So notice here that 9 and 81 both, so can both as a power of 9. Alright, so here then we are going to have 9 to the 1 power equals to the 9 to the second power x to the x power, right? So here is 9 equals 9 1, right? And 81 equals 9 to the second power. That's what right here. Next step, 9 to the 1 power equals 9 to the second power. Here, just simplify here. 9 to the x power, right? This is power or power property here. This is the step. Power of power property. Okay? Alright, so next step. Here we're going to have 1 equals to the 2x. So here set the exponent equal. So now here will be have 2 equals 2.5, or 1/2 equals x. So divide here both sides by 4, by 2, right? So our conclusion, x is equals 1/2, right? That's it. That's our answer. So this is a topic